Hello everyone. So here is the plan for week 5 for PLC lab. So today we are going to look at a process point and we are going to use it for entering data, and that data will affect one animation. In this case it's going to be a knob, and then we are going to look at a washing machine and how we can animate a different part of that. And the third one is animating one cycle of operation of washing machine. I'm going to explain each step in separate recording. So for the first part, I have my washing machine here, and I'm imagining that this knob is for process operation, this selection for washing machine. We are going to look at how we can animate the operation of washing in later when I put other recording up. For now, I want you to look at the process point. This is called process point, and I'm using it for entering data. You can also use it for displaying data. In this case, whatever number I put here, my knob will move according to that, but it will be proportional because the range that I selected for my process point data entry is from 1 to 100, and for the knob rotation the range that I picked is from 1 to 10. So you would see a small difference, but if you want to match them, you can change that accordingly. Right now, if I put with using your keyboard, you can use any number and then press enter, and then you can see the knob is moving. And then if you put any range within the acceptable range which you assign, the knob is going to move. So I'm going to show how you can make this from scratch in another recording. Thank you.